February 24th, 2014, current time 11:32 GMT. Jay Misley here with the Daily Forex Trading Outlook from GVI Forex on global-view.com. And last week I discussed a look ahead to this week where the focus was likely to be increasingly on the ECB as we head towards the end of this week when the Eurozone CPI comes out on Friday. This is ahead of the following week's ECB meeting, where speculation may build for some sort of monetary easing. Right now, if there is one, market seems to be looking for a cut in rates which would put them into negative territory. So with that in mind, we'll probably look at the daily chart just today. Normally I go through a progression daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, even 5 minute. But I think we're going to focus on the euro dollar today and just on this as the market is, tested its upside. But if you see after the German IFO, and you can see what happened, it failed to get through that one, everybody's looking 137.75 level. So, we still have 137.75 to 138 on top. You can see the trend line here is, which came very close on Thursday and Friday of last week, comes in at 137.16 today. Said last week this is likely going to be broken this week, if only through attrition, given we're stuck in these ranges. And as everybody knows who watches me, when the market's between two big figures like today, 137 to 138, the 137.50 level tends to have this magnetic property as the market battles until one side or the other is established, and that's what's happened so far today. Also, if you look here, you got your 100, 20, and 50-day moving averages are now clustering between 136.21 and 45. So we're really setting up for a potential move. When I say setting up, because you never know if setups take place, especially when you're involved with central banks and so forth. And I think how the market ends the week will be more important than how it starts, mostly because of Friday's Eurozone CPI numbers and whether it fuels expectations for some sort of monetary easing the following week. With that in mind, the euro dollar should have a limited upside the closer we get to Friday, and then probably into next week if speculation starts to build once again, which seems to be like a monthly event. Otherwise, we're still stuck in ranges. U.S. data remains weak, and people, and it's debate whether it's weather related or not. So you got to watch U.S. data, but the reactions to data have been limited, as you can see even today, in offering opportunities to fade data-related moves because we have a market which is basically not trending right now and really stuck in ranges. So that's it for today. You watch the stock market, you watch economic reports and so forth. And just keep an eye on this cluster here, plus this trend line, and 137.75 on top. I think on the bottom it's 136.75 or 74 or so would be considered key support. So 137 to 137.75 is kind of almost like a no man's land. But as I said, if you want to set up, the setup is for the downside, but only if you get ECB to cooperate and finally bite the bullet and cut rates to counter deflationary pressures.